So let's play with this one. Okay. Who's got the first note? You did. What does the note say?
Write the numbers 1 to 3 in random order, like 3, 1, 2.
Okay. And is 3, 1, 2?
No.
What is it?
2, 3, 1.
2, 3, 1. Okay. So that would be 2, 3, 1. So what I'm going to do, just so you notice, I'm going to change how they are because we're going to do it one at a time. So 2 is getting moved over there. 2, 3, 1. Correct? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's got the other one? Okay. Whatever you wrote down, right? A equals this, and now this is A, B, C. Okay? Whatever is the last number is the one I'm going to put my fingers into.
You know, with C, the last one. You
Yeah.
mean that one?
The number you put there will be the one I'm actually placing my fingers into. So, which one is the first number?
First number?
Yeah? A equal what?
3.
3.
Oh!
That's English.
Which one was the second one?
1.
Damn it! I never back out. I'm just saying. One was the second one?
On my list it is.
Because we know this one works. Fuck, okay. Ready?
If you're ready.
You can do a lot with hypnosis, I'm just saying. You've seen the power, right? Okay. Feel it. It's nothing.
Well,
Ja.
Knijpen.
We indrukken.
Right?
ja, even je vinger op de I heard it say.
You feel it, it's powerful, right?
Yeah, she just put her finger in it.
Everyone can see there's nothing.
Dat is nothing.
Oh, it's nothing for my nose.
I'm the amazing Dane, Martin Castor Peterson. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Just click the button right here and you will get all the information and videos every time I post something new. And also hook me up on Facebook or Instagram. And besides that, check out some of my other videos right there. Just click the button and you will get pushed to the next one. And I hope you will enjoy it.